Hello, esteemed viewers. Thank you for tuning in to today's video. Like and subscribe for more. And stay tuned to my content. Please hit the notification bell to be posted on the whenever I drop a new video. Yes. So today's video is going to be about basically introduction to Word, Microsoft Word, which is part of the Microsoft Office suite that involves a lot of other softwares, applications that can help you to improve on your day-to-day life. Uh, for example, we have Microsoft Word, that is one, then Microsoft Excel, we have Microsoft PowerPoint, we have Microsoft Publisher, and many more, which I will not go into detail for now. So today we are going to start with Word, Microsoft Word. The first thing you should know about Microsoft Word, it is basically used to type Word documents, letters, uh, brochures, uh, proposals, reports, a lot of documents. So you have to learn first of all to open a Word document. To open a Word document, you have a number of ways which I'm going to give you. First of all, you can right click. Those of you who watched the previous video, there was an option of double clicking, of right clicking. When you right click on your mouse, you get an option of new, which gives you a new window having this. So here you can simply tap that icon and you have your new Word document, which you can change to a given name. Let me say computer. Yes, so we have finished creating a Word document. For this case, the Word document is directly saved on the desktop. Yes, so whenever you want to access it, you can easily go look around your desktop and find it. Another way you can open a Word document. You can press on the start menu or the Windows button on your keyboard. The Windows button is the button that looks exactly like this icon, the icon where my cursor is, which the start menu. You can easily press that button and you have the same window. So here you can easily type Word, Microsoft Word, and it comes. Yes, you can then click there to open the file. Another way you can use a keyboard shortcut called Windows R. That shortcut, after opening that shortcut, it gives you a command prompt which helps you to input a variety of functions. But for this case, you can just, since you want to open Microsoft Word, you press Win Word, Win Word, then you can press OK, and your Microsoft document is open. Yes, so another way is to, in case you have your Word document application pinned on the taskbar, how to pin an application on the taskbar, you can easily, I told you those in the previous video who watched to the end, you can right click on the application, you can pin on the application, and you can simply open a new Word document and right click on the new Word document, right click on the new Word document, right click on the new Word document, and let me see. So as I was saying, when you open, I was saying the way to pin your Word document application on the taskbar, you can simply open the Word document, and where my cursor is, you right click and have such a window where you can pin the taskbar, pin the application to taskbar, and there, when you close your Word document, it remains. Yes. So whenever you want to open a new Word document, you can simply tap that, then it opens a new window. Yes. Another thing I can show you is how to save. Uh, Quickly, let me try to type something here. Let me simply type that. So when I try to save this document, um, sorry, you can simply press file, yes, press file, and come to save as. Yes. So from save as, you can choose the location of your file where you want to, where you want your file to be saved. Previously I told you, when you open your Word document on the desktop, it is simply saved in the desktop. So in case you want to change, you can use the save as option and choose choose any right and choose any sorry, and you come to browse. Here you can choose any folder. You can choose power, you can choose any folder you want your document to be saved in. Yes. And another thing for you to save, another tricky part that comes with saving Word. When you do not save your Word in such a format of Word 97 to 2003 doc. That format enables your file to be able to be opened on a variety of versions of Microsoft Word, because these, when you save it as just a simple Word document on a higher version of Microsoft Office, it will not be able to open on computers with lower versions. So that's why it is recommended that we choose this option, which gives you that variety. Yes, thank you. You can simply then click save, and your document is saved. Please ensure that as you're working, you save your work constantly, because if it has an unexpected power, there has been an unexpected power outage or blackout, your work may simply go just like that in case it's not saved. So another way of saving, if you have already saved the document as in the location you want, you can simply click file and come to save. Simply it is saved. Or if you want, there's a keyboard shortcut to save. Key press Control plus Control plus S. Yeah. So when you press Control S, it simply saves your document just like that, and you are good to go. Thank you for tuning in up to this point in my video. I really appreciate your support, and I encourage you, please, if in case you are a new viewer, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell and to get updates and be posted on my new video. Thank you.